Hi friends, let me show you this metal wire entrance doormat that I received for reviewing purposes. It is great because first, it is metal. It is metal wire, and it is it won't rust because it's stainless steel. As you can imagine, you can clean your shoes really easily with this kind of wires. And when you get rain or snow or a place with a lot of dirt, it's a really good idea to have this kind of mats in the entrance of your office or home, so people can really clean their shoes before going in. And being metal, well, it will last for a longer time. It's not easy. It won't be broken or things like that with a regular use. And you will have a clean entrance whenever somebody comes to your door. You can get rid of dirt, mud, water, snow, whatever your visitors or yourself bring to your home or to your office. So if you live in a place with that kind of environment, I really recommend you this kind of metallic wire mats. Okay? Thank you.